Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called Sounds and Haptics. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the category called Haptics, and on it you have a couple options. We have haptics alerts, you can turn them on or off, and if you turn them on, you have default and prominent. There's barely hearable difference, but basically, let me turn on the silent mode and then turn on haptic alerts and you can really hear it, but basically there's a slight difference between them. Select the one you like, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.